Hello and what's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we will be creating voiceover with our script. So this will be an AI voiceover that will be created with the help of Veed.io. Just log into this site, come over here to Veed.io and log in over here. After logging in, just select the free plan. We are working on a free plan right now. Just click on new video and create a project. Okay, so let's wait a couple of seconds and it will create a blank project for you. Click here on blank project and just cross it over here. So this will be a blank project and it will be created for us. So next thing that you need to do is go to here to audio, and here you can see the option to text to speech, which will convert our text, our script into speech, AI voices. I'll just click over here and let's select some of the voices. Let's see. Yeah, Amber, that's here.
The quick brown fox
jumps over the lazy dog.
Let's hear the other voices.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
So I like this voice, I'll just select it. So our language is English, and inside text I will just give the text that we have over here. This is the text that this is the script that we generated with the help of ChatGPT. I just give this text over here. So it's exceeding 1,000 words. What I'll do is I'll just cut a few words like this and just cut this. Okay, so it's not exceeding 1,000 words. So it's 2,000 words actually. I'll just cut half of it and let's add to the project. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go again and paste the second half. And now we're gonna generate this. And then what we're gonna do is we go again here and give the final half of this video and add to project. So we will basically create 3 different voices. I'll just drag it over here like this and drag this one over here like this. So let's try and play this.
Choosing stocks can be tricky, but there are some basic things to look for. First, let's define what a stock is. A stock represents... Welcome back to Finance with Hader.
Okay, so this one comes first and this one comes here. So now let's listen.
Research, start small, and don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate gains. Investing is a long-term game, and with patience and discipline, you can grow. Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance with Hader. Today we're going to talk about investing in stocks for beginners. Investing in the stock market can seem intimidating, but it can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. In this video, we'll go over some basics to help you get started. First,
okay, so this is our video that we created. Now this is a voiceover. I'll just export it and export this video. So we only need the voice from here. After exporting this video, what we will be doing is we will be removing the audio from this video, and then in another software what we'll do is we will add the video. Okay, so in the next video I will show you how to add a video to this voiceover, but for now we need this voiceover, and this is the best place to do voiceover, Veed.io, and you can do it for free. So let's meet in the next video, and after exporting this, let's see how we can convert this into an actual video. So after our voiceover is completed, here you can listen to
get started. First,
So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this download, and we're gonna download it in MP3. So don't download it in MP4, just download it in MP3, and we have an audio file. Now instead of downloading it in MP4. But if you see only the option to download it in MP4, just go on to this website and convert your MP4 into an MP3. And in the next video we will add a video to it. Let's see.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance with Hater. Today
We have our audio file. Now with this audio file we will create a video in the next video.